So, welcome back. And we've already discussed prime factorization, which is a method of breaking a number down into its prime components so that we can understand the integers involved or the components thereof of our target number. Now, we're going to need to know this information here for simplifying radicals. To make this a little bit easier on you, because of how this can appear, I'm going to start with a cube root instead of a square root. And what we're going to do here is we're going to divide it by 2, just to get a straight prime number right off the bat. Get our 88 here. Then we'll have a 44, and a 22, and also an 11. We'll have a 2, a 2, and a 2. And because we have 3 of the matching numbers due to this being a cube, we can pair these up. 2 times 2 times 2 is going to be 8, but the cube root of 2 is going to be, again, 2. So we take 2 and 11, and we multiply them together. Boop, boop. And all we have to do here is take our answer from here, our extras, our leftovers, put it inside of this little cube root device, and put our 2 right there. And we've got our simplified radical for a cube root. Now, sorry, I've got a little bit of a downward stream here, but we're going to move over here to a square root. And this one's going to be a little bit tricky at first, because it's going to be like, what? Why do I even need to do that if the square root of 36 is 6? Well, 6 and 6, of course, there's a number of ways to do this. However, the purpose for it is just practice, to get it over and done with out of your system so that when you need to take care of it in school or for your exams, you don't get overwhelmed when you're a little bit nervous. Again, we got 2 and 3 and 2 and 3. And if we take those together, we get 36. All right, 56 here. What we're going to end up with is a 2 and a 28, a 2 and a 14, and a 2 and a 7. All right, so we got our 2, our 2, our 2. Because this is a square root, which usually is not denoted, we automatically know that this is a square root without the symbol involved. But when it's a cube root, remember, always take a look right there. So with our square root here, we have 2 2's, or a matching pair. So 2 times by 2 is 4. The square root of 4 is 2. We have 2 and 7 here. We need to take those and put them together. So we're going to end up with a 2 and 14. And if you were to take 2 in this example and use our little exponent here, so 2 times by 2 is 4 times by 14. What's that going to be? 56.
Try to solve this problem and leave your answer in the comments below.
Now that you've got that all wrapped up and inside your head, wish you the best of luck on your exams, and don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and ring that little bell for notifications. Thank you, and have a great day.